Hi kids, it's Mr. Idigovich. We're here for Math Minute 35. Number 1 says name this solid. This is a three-dimensional shape. It's three-dimensional because it has a length, I guess. Length, a width, and a height. Okay. So it's got three separate lines, whereas this rectangle would be two-dimensional. There's no width to it. So this is a three-dimensional object. You just have to decide what it is. And if you're not familiar with them, I'll give you some options. It's a sphere. You could choose a cube, or we'll call it, no, I can't call it that. Well, basically, I'll just give you those options. It's either a sphere or a cube, and you should be able to determine which one. But just in case your brain is a little foggy from not so much practice with three-dimensional objects, I gave you a couple choices there. Number 2, 92 minus 54. Number 3, the area of the shape is 6 square units. We've been talking about area as the inside of the perimeter. The perimeter is the outside edge or the walls, and the area is the floor space. Or you could think of it, if you were outside, as the perimeter is the fence, and the inside area would be the grass that you play on in your yard. Number 4 is 6 times 6, and number 5 is 40 divided by 5. So go ahead and pause those up, see what you come up with, and come back and check your work. Number 1, this shape is a cube. It's not a sphere. A sphere would look more like this, like the shape of the earth or the moon or basketball. A cube is the shape of a dice that you would roll to play a board game. So this is not a sphere, right? And this is a sphere, actually. This is a cube, so I didn't have to cross it out. Anyways, 92 minus 54 is 38. The area of the shape is 6 square units. That is true because you can fit 6 squares inside of this shape. 6 equal squares, I should say. So I either counted them, or I could have multiplied the height times the length. Number 4, 6 times 6 gives you 36. And number 5, 40 equal groups of 5 units gives you 8 groups. Okay, 40 equal groups of 5 gives you 8. Moving on. Oops, I went a little too far there. Number 6, 15 minus something gives you 5. Number 7, 36 plus 45. And number 8, 9, and 10 use these symbols, greater than, less than, or equal to, to complete questions 8 through 10. So which one's bigger, or are they the same? Which one's smaller? Go ahead and pause your video. When you're finished, come back and check your work. We'll take one final look, and then we'll be off. On to our last day of distance learning. Hooray! For number 6, 15 minus 10 equals 5. I figured that out today just because I know that 5 plus 10 equals 15. So if I put these numbers into a fact family, or if I have 15 and 5 in a fact family, I know my missing number is 10, because 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. And so I can figure it out that way. Number 7, 36 plus 45 is 81. And number 8, 9, and 10, all of your alligator chompers should be greater than. Ooh, these are crazy teeth on my alligator, but it's okay. So all of these numbers on the left side are bigger than all of these numbers on the right side. So if you read that, it says 580 is greater than 579. 999 is greater than 899. 624 is greater than 524. Here is one last look at Math Minute 35. Remember, when you finish, just put this right in your folder, in your binder, or in your backpack, because you will need this when you come back to school on Tuesday. I'm super excited on Monday. You have Friday off, not Monday. So come back on Monday. Don't come back on Tuesday. But anyways, I hope you have great weekends. Finish up your day. I'm super excited to see you. All right, kids, thanks. Bye.